For today's field checkup series video, I wanted to highlight how powerful insights can be made when a grower executes a split planter trial and documents the data with the FieldView Cab app, and at the end of the year, evaluates the harvest data and the yield data to make decisions for the following year. In this particular field, have two things that we are testing. We are testing a new product in 21252 SmartStax Pro rib against 21422 Stax rib. So we are testing the new product in 21252 and also a new trait in the SmartStax Pro rib featuring RNAi technology. This field has been continuous corn for 5 years. This field got 5,000 gallons of hog manure last fall and has a yield goal of around 240 bushels to the acre. As you can see when we run our yield field report, even under stress, our flagship corn-on-corn product 21422 Stax rib delivered exceptional results. 21252, our new launch for 2022, at first glance appears to be off the pace. 21422 is a very high-performing hybrid, so this might be understandable. But as we dig closer into the data with the split planter trial, we can start to learn valuable details about the interactions of these two hybrids with the soil. On the northern edge of the field, where their field is under the most stress, and we have a split region report, we see yield parity between the two hybrids under stress. As the yield gets better as we move south, we have another split planter trial. Again, yield parity between the two hybrids. This field did not have noticeable rootworm pressure, despite it being continuous corn for 5 years. So this is the interaction of the genetics of both hybrids in a stressful environment that only received 14 inches of seasonal rain. Again, as we move south, we see yield parity as the yield starts to creep up. And as we can see on the farthest southern edge of the field, where the yield map is showing the best results, 21422 is all by itself, and we see a yield of 262 bushels, substantially more. That is what is leading to the yield deficit of the 21252 in comparison to our flagship corn-on-corn hybrid 21422 Stax rib. As I was speaking with the grower, he also mentioned that in season last fall, he laid down a significant portion of potash and sulfur on only one edge of the field. As you can see, 100 pounds of potash and 20 pounds of sulfur directly impacted the performance of the southern edge of the field. At first glance, it looks like there was a response of over 25 bushel to the acre from the sulfur and the potash. The grower was able to use a FieldView drive kit in a dry box spreader to document the application last December. Using FieldView Cab to map applications and execute split planter trials is a very valuable tool for growers and for seedsmen at Channel Seed.